How to deactivate a Snapchat account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate a Snapchat account. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. Once you get into your account, click on your profile icon from the top left corner. Now, from your profile, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Then scroll down in settings and tap on the delete account option. After that, you need to enter your username or email address. Enter your email address and tap on the next button. Then verify your security code and tap on the submit button. After that, enter your account password and tap on next. Now Snapchat will ask you for the last time if you want to delete your account. Then enter your username and password, then tap to continue. After that, your account will be deactivated successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.